ABC Speaking Academy. Today let's have an English conversation practice. Using daily use English sentences. Take it.
Take it.
I can't.
I can't.
This is great.
This is great.
Sit down.
Sit down.
A little longer.
A little longer.
I know.
I know.
Let me know.
Let me know.
Call him.
Call him.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Wait inside.
Wait inside.
I know him.
I know him.
I am sick.
I am sick.
Get out.
Get out.
Walk ahead.
Walk ahead.
Don't be angry.
Don't be angry.
You are wrong.
You are wrong.
Talk with me.
Talk with me.
Move aside.
Move aside.
Let's run away.
Let's run away.
Say something.
Say something.
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
I don't care.
I don't care.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Stop overthink.
Stop overthink.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Are you there?
Are you there?
Wait outside.
Wait outside.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
I want to work.
I want to work.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Stand up.
Stand up.